Let's go ahead and try the first question. Simplify each rational expression. This is a rational expression or a function. If I just said it y equals would be a function. It's an expression because I have a polynomial divided by a polynomial. List any restrictions on the domain. Alright, the first question I have to ask is what? What is the domain? The first question, to find either the restrictions on the domain or find a vertical asymptote, we have to figure out if there's a factored. Alright, with your partner, take 10 seconds, point to the numerator and denominator, determine if it is factored or not. Class, yes or no, is this one factored? No. Is this one factored? Yes. Okay, so in this top one, do I have to use X box? No, because it's not a trinomial, right? A, B, and C. And there is no exponent, and half of that exponent is not the next one. This problem, I just have to take out the greatest common factor. Partner A, tell partner B, what is the greatest common factor? I heard everyone say 3. So 3 times what? What goes inside now? X minus 3. Okay, second question. Can I cancel anything? Do you see anything on the top and bottom that are exactly the same? Yeah. Then yes, this is called a removable whole. So let's write the word whole. There's going to be a donut hole in our graph. And this one, I'm just going to make x minus 3 equal to 0. And if I add 3 here and solve, x equals 3 is where the hole is at. Now, what I did not cancel, I want to leave. I'm going to put this in a different color. So if you have a different color, you can put it in the highlighter if you want. This is actually going to be the graph itself. Now, this problem doesn't ask us to find a graph, but I want us to start thinking about the graph, okay? So let's go ahead and draw a graph. Tending to precision. And let me draw a ruler. See what's going to happen at x equals 3. There's going to be some really cool, something's going to happen at this orange line. That's x equals 3. Okay, you can use Desmos now. I'm going to use a graphing calculator if you have one. And what I'm going to graph, all you're putting into Desmos is just 3, the pink. So I'm going to go to y equals, I'm going to press clear, I'm going to press 3, and then I'm going to press the graph button in the top right. Class, what does our graph look like? Okay, it's just a straight line. It's just a horizontal line. That's the equation y equals 3. Okay, now pay attention. You don't have to be super accurate. You don't have to draw tick marks. But pay attention, okay? As I go and draw this graph, at that orange, we're going to have a what? We're going to have a donut hole. It's kind of weird, right? What does that hole mean? It means if you graph 3x minus 9 over x minus 3, there's some restrictions on the domain. Let's put in 3 and see what happens. Class, what's 3 times 3? 9 minus 9. 0. Okay, that's not important to us. This is a huge idea, okay? 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, pay attention. Anything divided by 0. Anything divided by 0. Everyone say undefined. Anything divided by 0 is undefined. What does that mean? You're on this roller coaster. It's kind of boring, right? And then the Avengers movie just happened to your life. You're going on this little roller coaster and you go into this like time warp. But here's something crazy. We don't know where you went. And then everyone else is just on the roller coaster. There is a gap in the roller coaster. This is a discontinuous graph, and then our restrictions on the domain is there's a hole at 3.